I've got a distinct feeling of deja vu doing this assembly. We sort of thought these were finished with last year, but unfortunately, the way things are still with COVID, we have to continue doing virtual assemblies. Can I start off by saying a big thank you and well done. The first couple of weeks of term have gone very, very well for year 9, and I'm very pleased. I just want to start off today by talking a little bit about some general rules and housekeeping for the school, just to re-emphasize some of the things that you've already been told. First of all, face masks. Guys, it's really important that we wear face masks in our communal areas, things like the dining hall, middle school, when you're walking around the school buildings. When you're outside, that's fine, you don't need to wear them. When you're in your classroom, that's up to you. But please, in those communal areas, it's important that we wear them. Just to re-emphasize the use of hand sanitizer, or hanitizer as my daughter calls it. Please use it before you go into classes, when you come out of classes, as much as you can. It's really, really important. Social distancing is still vital. We are obviously in class bubbles, and it's important we try and stay in those bubbles. But I have noticed at break and lunchtime that we're playing, we're messing about, and that's great. We want to do that. But just remember, we can't be jumping on top of people. We need to keep our distance. That is one of the main ways that the virus can be transmitted. So please keep your distance. The headmaster has re-emphasised uniforms. So just for your clarity, you're allowed to wear a hoodie or a fleece, a Campbell hoodie or a Campbell fleece, in place of your blazer with your school uniform. On the days you have PE or games, you may wear a Campbell tracksuit or black tracksuit bottoms and a Campbell hoodie, but not a mixture of the two, please. Lastly, the one-way system. It's an operation around the school. I know it can be a little bit annoying. You have to go a longer way to get to your class, but it is there for a reason. And please, we'd like you to uphold that system and use it to your full capability. Thank you. So again, boys, as I said earlier, it's been a very good start to the year for year 9. There are, however, still some boys who are feeling anxious, who are feeling nervous. That may be just coming back into school. It may be to do with Corona. It's also, there are a lot of new boys coming in. So there are different reasons why people are nervous or anxious. We also don't know what a lot of people went through during lockdown. If they were ill, if their parents were ill, grandparents could still be shielding. There are lots of different reasons. So it's really important that we are kind. And I talked about this earlier in the term. So I really want you to think about what you can do to help somebody else, to go out of your way, to be kind to someone. I'm going to ask you this week to try and carry out every day one act of kindness. At least. You can do more if you wish. This might be things like opening a door, helping somebody else, talking to a new boy, making a new friend. There are lots of things. But I am going to, when I see you during school, when I see you at lunch or break time, I'm going to ask random people, what have you done today? What's your act of kindness? What did you do yesterday? So please try and do something. If we all make an effort to be kind, it helps. Okay, it encourages other people to do the same thing, and it makes where we live, the whole school community, a much nicer place. I have got a little video that I'm going to share with you now, which is sort of re-emphasizing this message. I hope we continue to have a good week. And if we have any issues, please make sure we speak to your tutors or you see me. Okay, boys, have a good week. Thanks. Bye.
Sometimes it's easy to feel like the world's getting harder. But if we look closer, on the news, on the web, on the street, we're anything but unkind. Every day, we hear new stories of people trying to make the world a better place. And together, we can make the world that little bit kinder for all of us. It all starts with just one person, you. The thing about kindness is that it's just about the only thing in the world that doubles when you share it. And it's a fact, backed by science. Studies have shown that if you perform just one random act of kindness a day, you'll not only reduce your stress, anxiety, and depression, but your body is flooded with the same hormones that make you and the person you've helped calmer, healthier, and happier. Serotonin, which heals your wounds, helps you relax and makes you feel good. Endorphins, which reduce pain. And oxytocin, which reduces blood pressure and makes you feel more loving and loved. You'll both be more energized, feel less aches and pains, more confident, and could even live longer. And if other people see you helping someone else, they'll be filled with those same feel-good hormones, meaning they're significantly more likely to pay it forward. Like taking that extra moment to hold the elevator for someone, spotting a coffee for a stranger who's just a few cents short, giving your neighbor a hand with their groceries, even just smiling and meaning it. It doesn't take much, but it can make a huge difference for everyone. Those people you've helped will help other people, and those other people will help even more people. And those random acts of kindness can start a chain reaction that can spread across an entire community, a city, a country, and with enough of us, the world. Now, isn't that the world we all want? And it all starts with one.